Imagine if minutes from now you could finally say goodbye to all your expensive subscriptions and get the same features top gurus and Fortune 500 companies are paying thousands of dollars a month for, all for a one-time fee. That's right, I'm talking about getting unlimited lifetime hosting, cloud storage, webinars, autoresponder, graphics design, and funnel builder for a record low one-time fee. Pay once, use forever. It would effectively enable you to cancel your subscriptions to bloated services like Aweber, GoToWebinar, HostGator, ClickFunnels, Photoshop, and Dropbox. Imagine being free of these pesky recurring payments, all while getting better features than ever before. I'm talking about 100% uptime for your sites and files, no restrictions for your webinars or emails, and a superior service designed from the ground up by marketers for marketers. That means Newbie-friendly one-click graphics design, blazingly fast load times for your funnels, and direct access to the best possible support internet marketers wish for. Just how good does that sound? Well, lucky for you, today is the day this all becomes reality. Profitsuite is the next step in internet marketing, a revolution like no other that enables you to enjoy unlimited cloud hosting with 100% uptime, free SSL encryption, next-generation control panel, one-click WordPress installer, and faster loading websites than ever before. Unrestricted cloud storage that's miles better than Dropbox or Google Drive, and enables you to upload, share, or back up unlimited files, 100% secure and encrypted. Ultimate Zoom killer webinar software that lets you run unlimited video meetings, webinars, and live conferences with unlimited attendees, zero lag, and our proprietary streaming technology. Drag and drop funnel builder with built-in done-for-you templates lets you create jaw-dropping sales pages and funnels with the push of a button. Unlimited autoresponder lets you upload as many subscribers as you want and send them full broadcasts, scheduled sequences, or affiliate offers. Cloud Graphics Editor enables you to build stunning graphics from pre-designed templates created by our in-house artists. And here's the kicker, you get all of this for life with just one-time low fee today. The best part, it's all 100% newbie friendly and has been designed from the ground up by marketers for marketers. Plus we're making it better every single day based on user suggestions. Get this today and enjoy lifetime access to 6 services that usually cost hundreds of dollars per month. Yes, that means zero future hosting payments for you starting today, plus zero payments ever again for cloud storage, webinars, autoresponder, funnel builder, or graphics design. You're finally able to cancel one of those pesky monthly subscriptions that keep adding up, and yet get better service than before still. It's a true win-win, but only available until the timer on the page hits 0, so hurry. Plus, we'll never ever read or access your files or sites, and no one else will be able to either. World-class encryption across the entire Profitsuite collection of apps ensures your personal information is never accessed, collected, or shared in order to target you with ads. That means your sites, video streams, files, and data always remain yours. So you can finally say goodbye to ridiculous monthly fees for expensive services like shared hosting in exchange for a subpar experience and questionable security and website protection policies. Plus, you'll never again be limited to the number of sites you can host, the bandwidth that you use, or the number of emails you send, webinars you run, funnels you create. You get the point. The bottom line is this. Profitsuite saves you thousands of dollars a year while providing a better, faster, and more marketer-friendly service than any of our competitors. All inside one newbie-friendly interface even an 8-year-old can master. So take action now. Click the buy button below and claim your exclusive one-time fee access to a next-level revolution unlike any you've seen yet. Let's step into this new era of internet marketing together. Welcome to Profitsuite.
Hello everyone, Kellen here, and on behalf of my team Radu and Mike, thank you so much for checking out Profitsuite, this amazing groundbreaking bundle. This is a short demo video, so I'm going to go through all of our products included in this bundle, going to explain all of them and show some of their features. First up, we have Profitsuite Design. Let's just go into it. So it leads us to this page right here. Profitsuite Design allows you to edit any type of photo. It's sort of a Photoshop in the cloud, if you will. I've already uploaded the photo, so let's just quickly open our photo editor and have a look. So from the very get-go, we can see that we can customize the image however we want. We can change its background color. This is nicer. We can round its corners, resize, rotate. We can add text, and as you can see at the very bottom here, we have a lot of text fonts. And this is not all. We also have display, sans serif, and so much more. We can draw, so we can just pick a brush. We can just start drawing right over our logo or design. Filters, you have a bunch of filters you can choose from, depending on how you want your own picture or your logo to look. Shapes, a bunch of different shapes. We can go for circles, rectangles, triangles, and anything in between. Stickers, a lot of fun stickers you can put over your logo. You can even make a logo out of this one. You just put it here, put down a text somewhere, and there you have it. And you can also upload more pictures onto this image. Say if you want to merge a couple of photos, merge a couple of logos, you can do that. Furthermore, after clicking save and exiting back to our dashboard, you can even create a shareable link, which you can embed either in your website, or you can do a forum embed. You can share this with other people. You don't have to download it, upload it to your WordPress, and go through all of those complicated schematics. This is Profitsuite Design. Let's quickly go back and check out the others. We're back here. Next up, we have Profitsuite Contact, a seamless autoresponder. Let's just quickly go through it. Profitsuite Contact acts like an autoresponder, say GetResponse if you will. You need your own sending server, so you just integrate a sending server, say you serve your own SMTP server, you have a mailgun, and can blast out thousands of emails to your subscribers. You don't have any kind of limit in Profit. You can have templates, you can have unlimited lists, automations, campaigns, and do as much as possible with an autoresponder. You can see here I've done a very quick test campaign with 1000 fake email addresses. You can see all of the statistics for your campaigns, either for the one you've already sent or for any campaigns that you've sent in the past. You can see an overall open rate, click rate, and so much more. Top countries by opens. You can see Romania. I opened my email. The list growth and so much more valuable information that can help you in bettering your own list. This has been Profitsuite Contact. Let's just go back and see what's up next. Next up, we have Profitsuite Webinars. It allows you to create webinars, but not only that, it allows you to create meetings, video conferences with your friends, family, or even with your business partners. And this is so important for Profitsuite webinars. It's not just webinars. Let's just quickly see what I mean. This is the main dashboard of Profitsuite webinar. Now we can do a bunch of things here. Let's just go and see all of the meeting types. So we just go to create an instant meeting, start meeting, and we can see a bunch of different options: audio conference, live class, podcast, video conference, webinar. We can do any of these seamlessly. Audio conference doesn't have any cameras, you just talk with your correspondent. Live class, you can hold live classes, share your screen, have other people share their own screen for educational purposes. You can hold your own podcast, have a video conference with your friends, and even do a webinar. In a webinar, only you can share your screen, turn on your camera, talk with your microphone opened. Your attendees can only watch you. Furthermore, you can even have your own contacts and users. Through Profitsuite webinars, you can build your own email list. You will get your very own registration page that will then subscribe all of those users that register through your own registration page to you. You can send them emails about meetings and webinars. You can add them to your own autoresponder and so much more. This has been Profitsuite webinars. Let's go back and see what is left. Next up, we have Profitsuite Host. which allows you to host your own website. But not only that, you can host a WordPress website, Joomla, you can host a web app, anything you want. It's your very own one-time payment hosting. Let's just quickly go into it so you can see what I mean. This is our main dashboard. You can see on the left side we have a bunch of different options, mostly everything you can imagine to have at a hosting service. You can have your own email and link it up to even Profitsuite contact or to your Outlook, so you can get emails through Profitsuite host to your own device. Domains, you can add an unlimited amount of domains, either secondary, pointers, subdomains. You can edit your own DNS records. You don't have to wait for support to do it for you, as it happens with most hosting services. You create your own SSL certificates very easily. You can connect through FTP, MySQL, have access to your own htaccess files, install anything you want with Softaculous, create multiple user accounts. Say if you want to have one of your paying clients, you can create an account for them, restrict them to their own website, and cash in like that. You can see your logs, recent visitors, you have authentication methods if you want to improve the security of your own account. Backups, you can do as many backups as you want and then restore your account from them. You have a bunch of statistics you can go through, and also our very own built-in file manager to handle all of your files, either for the web app, for WordPress, so on and so forth. You can see this is a groundbreaking panel, and we're extremely excited about Profitsuite Host. However, we still have 2 more apps to check out, so let's go back and quickly go through those as well. Next up, we have Profitsuite Storage. It's sort of a Google Drive, Dropbox. It just gives you unlimited storage for a very low one-time fee. Let's just quickly go through it so you can understand. So we're on the main dashboard here. You can see I'm already using Profitsuite Storage for my own use. I have a bunch of videos uploaded here and images. With Profitsuite Storage, you can also share any image, a sort of like Google Drive, as I said. However, you can password protect all of these files, and you can set an expiration date. Say if you want to improve the security of your files, just throw in a password, make it expire in 1-2 hours, and just like that, your files are more secure. So we just create a link, it instantly gets created. We can then put it in our browser and we'll see this exact image here. And we can see the image right here. Now, if you share an image, it can get downloaded. Your peers do not need to have Profitsuite storage. However, you can collaborate with them, same as you would with Google Drive. You can upload files in the same folder, work on files together. Only then will they need a Profitsuite storage account. It's fast, it's easy to use. You can use it on your phone. You can upload files from your own phone. You can upload entire folders without a problem. So it's just an amazing tool to have, whatever niche you are in. We have one more app to check out. Let's just go back and see what that is. Profitsuite Funnels is your very own WordPress website builder. It's extremely easy to use, unlike other website builders, and you have about 24 done for you templates for sales pages for our own products that you can start promoting right away with our very own sales pages that we have spent hundreds of dollars on. Let's quickly go through it. This is a page that was built with Profitsuite Funnels. You can see everything in here is editable, and you can even use this very page for your own use. You can replace these buttons with your own links. So that way buyers will go through your affiliate link, or even replace this whole button with your own sales page button. And sell control press alongside 23 other products as your own. You can see right here all of the options you can add. We have everything from text blocks to video players to pie charts and so much more. However, the most interesting part about Profitsuite funnels is that you get all of these templates here. Both for online and offline, you have personal page, business, startup here, 3 very cool templates, and then you have all of these different products along with their upsells. You can see Mirage Pro, Mirage Done For You, Mirage White Label. So you're also getting their upsells. So you can start promoting them or selling them as your own right away. What's more, you can also edit your own CSS. So you're not just limited to Profitsuite funnels features. You can edit your own CSS, add your own flair to everything you're doing in here. This has been Profitsuite funnels. Thank you so much for checking out this demo video. I hope you'll take advantage of this one-time bundle, and I can't wait to see you inside.
Grab this software now, link in description, grab it now before its price increases.